about that today. But no. Can you start over? We are, yeah, stupid. I lost it. Happy Monday, guys. It is day 2. No, it is not day 2. Anyways, stupid. No. More time. More time I'm going to get. I'm not going to do anything stupid this time. Enjoyed that first episode. I lied. I did something stupid. Happy Monday. No. Hey, guys. Happy Monday. I am laughing this way because if you only knew how many cuts it has taken me to even get remotely close to a good intro. It's horrible. It is absolutely horrible. But that's fine. I digress. We're going to forge on through this. And it may look like a mess, but it's okay because Josh's phone cannot take any more of this recording. So here we go. If it's awkward, it's awkward. Smile and nod, okay? So it is our second episode of Addair's Farmhouse. We are so excited to have you back. Now, the only reason why I need to do this intro is kind of like penance. You know, penance, like whenever you're paying for something that you've done. Because I know that I promised in that first episode, 2 easy weeknight meals, and we only gave you 1. Well, the reason is I talk too much. It's true. I am a certified yapper. I am the yappiest of yappers. Yap, 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 yap. Josh swears if I didn't talk about a Diet Coke in a fancy glass, that we would have been able to do both recipes. See? Recipe. Whatever. Anyways, it's not true, but that's what he swears. If you knew my dad, you know that I do come by the yapping pretty honestly, so I'm just going to let all of that slide. So with that being said, in this episode, I'm going to have on the same clothes. Josh is going to have on the same clothes. And we're going to finish that promise that I made you that first episode for the second one. Josh is making chicken taco soup. And it is seriously so good. It is one of the better dishes. It's cold now. You can throw it all in a pot, warm it up. It's warm. Also, if you are starting, it's the new year. If you're starting to kind of watch your weight and you've got macro goals, this is a very easy recipe to kind of adjust for those. So that's great. In all seriousness, no jokes about Diet Coke or macros or yapping or anything like that. I do want to take a second and just really say thank you. The support that Josh and I have gotten from this show and from you all and us starting this has been absolutely humbling. Absolutely humbling. And if you're here and you're thinking, oh, another cooking show, great, and that's not really your thing, I want you to just stick with us. This is not a cooking show. This is about the farmhouse, and this is about our life. There are a couple cooking episodes we're here off the bat, but you have to understand that this is January, and some of these were even filmed in December, and it is cold. And you can't garden. You can't garden in snow. You can't do it. Well, nothing that we would eat anyways. You can't garden in snow. And then also, I can't do home projects in the middle of Christmas, because Santa don't come if there's no walls, because I've knocked them down. I'm kidding. I don't think there's any walls that we're going to knock down. I don't know. Maybe. Stick with us and find out. Anyways, I digress. See? Yapping. If you are interested in joining us for this journey, just to kind of give you a look about what's happening, we have a foyer remodel we're going to do. We've got bathroom remodels we've got to do. Josh got a greenhouse for Christmas. So that means that there are some outdoor projects that we've got that I'm very excited for. Josh is getting ready to show us how to start our garden and all of that garden planning, which is very interesting. We just made bread. Not sourdough, don't get excited, but actual good, easy sourdough. This year, the Addair Farmhouse, no, not sourdough, sandwich bread. See, I told you there's going to be bloopers. We're just going straight through this, right? Sandwich bread, no sourdough. Anyways, this year is going to be filled with a lot of learning between Josh and I, and we want you all to come with us. So if there's anything that you want to do, anything that you want to learn, anything you want to watch us try, let us know that too. Okay? We are very, very, very excited to take this journey with you. The premise behind this show, the premise behind Josh and I and our life and what we do is we have really just wanted to take, we're 2 kids who were raised in hollers of West Virginia. Josh, not really a holler. I was in a holler, but we didn't do all this stuff. We didn't do any sort of homesteading. We didn't do any sort of gardening. We didn't do any sort of like scratch cooking. We didn't do any sort of remodel, none of this. And we're just taking it and we're deciding that we want to learn and we want to improve our life a little bit better. And we're going to do it. We're going to figure it out. It's not going to be perfect. It's going to be messy, but it's going to get better. And we are so excited to take you all with us for 2025 on Addair's Farmhouse. So, I'm going to start with some chicken taco soup, not tortilla soup, chicken taco soup. So, sit back, enjoy. And that's it. Let Josh show you something.
Hey y'all, we're Josh and Rebecca Addair, and we are so proud to share our story with you. From being raised in a small coal mining town of Matewan, West Virginia, to moving to our dream home in East Tennessee.
When we first laid eyes on our 110-year-old farmhouse, our hearts were filled with nothing but pure joy. We knew right then that this place was going to be our sanctuary and a place for others to gather and experience true mountain hospitality.
We're true Appalachian folk who show our love with a good meal, laughter, a helping hand, and a prayer when needed. Our goal is to give you an authentic look into the Addair family and the wonderful craziness that is our blessed life.
So y'all come on in and make yourselves comfortable. We're glad to have you here, and we can't wait to share a little slice of mountain life with each of you. Welcome home, friends.
All right, so recipe number 2, and this time I'm using the chopper.
He's taking the lead, he said, so he's going to use it.
All right, this time we are going to make a chicken taco soup. Super easy, super quick, super good for fast evenings. Ready?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so we're going to take an onion.
Yes.
We're going to take some oil.
Just a little drizzle.
And then I'm going to
Good assistant.
cut the top and the bottom off this onion. I always like to take the first layer of skin off too, because
That's nasty. You cut that onion like a professional. And I could not follow that. So
I'll stop.
real.
And then I'm going to dice it into a 4. And then I'm going to put it in the chopper that I couldn't get open. And this thing reminds me of those toys from when you were a kid, the farmer, and it made the animal noises. Anyway, all right.
All right, so I guess that was fast.
Oh, wait, there's a little bit more in there.
Oh, see?
There we go. Nope.
I hope y'all time this. The aim is also strong.
You know why that?
It's because it's the skin,
It's the
the end.
Never mind.
We are professionals, darling. We're so professional.
All right.
Oh, lovely. Things that make you cry.
So there's that. Now we're going to throw some garlic in here.
Yep.
Correct?
Yes, garlic.
Garlic.
That's not garlic.
Garlic.
That's garlic, all of it.
Sweet.
That's about a tablespoon and a half of garlic. We like garlic. That's probably less than I normally would do. Oh,
Sweet.
all right. So then,
We're gonna take it to the stove.
sorry, I'm new here. If you have a business and are looking for an interesting way to advertise, email us at addairsfarmhouse@gmail.com.
All right. So I've got this on a medium heat. This is just the onions and the garlic. We're just gonna move this around this oil just a little bit. Let this get kind of translucent because we're getting all the good, getting all that good out the onion, you know? Done. You can kind of tell that by the way they're starting to shift colors. They're starting to look a little translucent. I can really smell it coming in. Also, I threw a little bit of kosher salt in here to kind of bring those juices on out. So we're gonna take it back over here. So we've got our onions and our sauteed garlic. Now I'm gonna throw in
those onions.
This is an entire rotisserie chicken I've just shredded up beforehand. Just gonna throw that in here. This is half a block of cream cheese. The crème chaz.
Okay. It actually calls for a whole block of cream cheese, but I used what was in our refrigerator.
Is this a can?
A can of rinsed and dried.
Rinsed and dried black beans. This is how many?
2 cans or 29 ounces.
29 ounces of
Diced tomatoes.
diced tomatoes.
If you are not like us and you like a little heat, you can always use Rotel. Or diced tomatoes with chilies. Either way's fine.
This is a can of corn.
2 cans.
2 cans of corn.
30 ounces.
And then we're gonna do 3 cups of chicken broth. Here is 1, 2, and 3.
We'll keep that handy though, just because we want it to be the right consistency.
And this is half a teaspoon garlic powder. We're gonna do a whole teaspoon. This is what would be an entire packet of taco seasoning. This is ranch seasoning, just cause.
Again, we love ranch seasoning. We love ranch seasoning.
Some pepper.
It's very good on burgers.
And I think that's it. We're just going to take this back over to the heat. I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of this broth.
It is a soup.
Yeah.
And we have more, so it might need it.
Give this a little mix here. If you would like to advertise your business during an episode of Addair's Farmhouse, feel free to email addairsfarmhouse@gmail.com. I've got it kind of mixed up. We've got this back on the heat, probably about medium to high heat. I'm going to throw a little bit more kosher salt in here. And let this cook, let that cream cheese melt, and then we'll be back to take a look. All right, so everything's kind of melted down, combined together, and now we're gonna take it over here and try it.
That is hot.
Garnish it with a little bit of sour cream and dried cilantro. It is done, and we are going to try it. Now, what we like to do is get some scoops and eat it with that. Again, this is one that you can make your own, so.
Is it good?
I don't know.
Oh, excuse me.
Ladies first.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry, I'm trying to get like the perfect spot. perfect, but I need a little aid.
Also, so good.
Yeah. I love soup. I love soup, period. This is something that our family can eat on. We can take for lunch just for a couple days. Yeah, it's a crowd favorite.
Here you go. Let's screenshot or pause our screens because right here is your recipe for some good eating on a quick weeknight.
And we usually let it simmer. It's good as soon as it's hot. Everything in it's cooked. So as soon as it's warm, it's fine. If you've got time and you want to put it in, turn it on, and then go like do a little laundry or something and let it just kind of keep cooking.
If you make this up in large batches, you can put this in a gallon Ziploc bag and freeze it. And then you want to talk about a quick meal,
Yeah.
You can literally just let that defrost, warm it up, and you're good to go. So make it ahead of time, and it's even faster.
Sorry, I just really like it. So I'm starving.
All right, so I guess that's it, right?
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, so that's it. Stay tuned, stay with us, because this is not a cooking show, like we said earlier. So just because this was the first episode, if cooking is not your thing, don't get discouraged, stick with us. We've got a lot of home updates, home improvements. In the springtime, we've got a lot of gardening. A lot of gardening with Josh. A lot of gardening with Josh. And a lot of rock painting and sitting in the garden from me and Israel. No, I'm kidding. We're going to do this together. But yeah, so hang out with us. Thank you for coming.
All right. See y'all next time.
Bye.
Next time on Addair's Farmhouse. Super excited to dive into this apple butter. Carver's, which is an orchard, and they have a restaurant in Newport, Tennessee, and they, even though that it is the end of the season, do have apples.
It was so funny. We called and asked if they